knows that the heat pump is actually driven by electricity, and electricity is a clean energy. And heat pump use color circle to produce heat. This principle design heat pump is actually a high efficiency product. Generally, the SCOP, seasonal performance factor of generally SCOP of the heat pump is around 4 to 5 or even higher. So we can say heat pump is actually a high efficiency using clean energy product. This is a perfect product. But if we look into the market, the application of the heat pump, if we compare with some traditional heating equipment such as a gas boiler, the application of heat pump is actually much less than the gas boilers or other heating systems. We think there are main two reasons. The first reason is the high initial cost of heat pump in their real application. As an product supplier, we think about how to reduce the initial cost for end users. But anyway, I don't think it's a good idea to reduce the material cost of the product itself, because in this way usually come along with performance decrease or quality decrease. That is not what we want to see. So what can we do? Don't forget that when we consider the initial cost, it's actually combined with the equipment cost and the installation cost together. The installation cost of the product is actually quite high, especially in some high-level cost countries. The installation cost is taken around more than 50% of the total initial cost. So reducing the installation cost is also an important method to reduce the total initial cost in a heat pump application. In this way, when we design a heat pump product, we study the installation habit in different countries, and we find out that in different countries, their installation habits are different. Based on our study, we combine the necessary installation cost in one assembly box. We provide this box to our customers, and accessories can help to greatly reduce the installation work during the installation. And also, such a box with the cost advantages with the whole Chinese supply chain. Actually, if you compare with the cost to purchase different components locally, we can also save the equipment cost. And just now I said we don't want to reduce the material cost of the product itself, but anyway, in our design, we also think about some way to reduce the installation cost because of the product improvement. For example, in our EcoStar or EcoLite series, during the installation, you can even remove the buffer tank in your projects. That can also help you to reduce the initial cost of the application. And the other reason which limit the heat pump application is actually the lack of professional installer in the market. Actually, there are in many of the research report in Europe indicates the lack of professional installer is actually the most important reason which limit the heat pump increasement. As the equipment supplier, Amitime as the equipment supplier, what we can do is we try our best to support our customers. Every year we send many of our technicians to European Center to give technical support and technical training to our customers to make sure our clients they can provide the best professional service to the end users. That's what we do for the heat pump market.